Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Bird NJ. I'm Naz. So today I'm going to share with you a recipe which is very simple and delicious, and you can use for iftar every day in Ramadan. So this is lime soda, and for this I'm just using 2 or 3 ingredients. It's lemon, lime soda and salt. That's all. Only with these 3 ingredients you are going to prepare very delicious recipe, and it's daily prepared by my husband, so he's going to show us how it's done. So first of all, he's just squeezing and cutting the lemon, then remove the seeds of lemon, and then you have to go for any lime soda. In Dubai we get available with this kind of lime soda, so we are adding half of this into the glass. The ratio of lime soda and water, it's like 50-50. If you want more soda you can add just a bit more. So in that I'm just squeezing this lemon and then put into it the pieces of lemon. Do not remove it or throw it off, because the squeezed part of lemon has very benefits for our health, and it's very delicious as well. Even for the people who want to weight loss, it's very helpful. So the remaining half of glass, it's added by water, so it's like 50-50%. Then in the last you just have to add salt as per taste. That's all. It's very simple, quick. So that's our daily drink for iftar in Ramadan. Just try this and let me know how it works. So please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting weekly at least twice or thrice the helpful videos which is of benefit for everyone. So that's my son having that. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.